Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 40V Cordless Pruning Saw from Parkside Performance Tool, the model PPAKS 40LI-A1. Bare unit only, without batteries or charger. One battery series, over 100 devices. Compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. Brushless motor, maintenance-free motor technology for a long lifespan and reduced wear and tear. Max engine speed, level 1 5900 rpm, level 2 7200 rpm, with a cutting length 28.5 cm. Accessories included, recommended batteries 2 20V 4Ah. You need 2 batteries to use this tool. Compare it with a regular cordless chainsaw. This one has 70% greater power output, 24% more cutting length and 146% faster chain speed. Ready to connect with a Parkside app. I will show you with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included at the box we have the oil bottle, 180 ml, the manual of course, as always, some warnings, and there is the chainsaw. Here we have the fastening eyelet. Soft elements around here. The front handle, the chain brake lever, front hand protection, the tank cover for the oil, and of course we need to fill up with oil. I have inserted the half bottle, about 100 ml, and here we can see the capacity of the oil. Oh, nice! So we need about 100 ml. We have the rotary wheel, the cover for the chain, Parkside Performance. If you want to replace the chain, you need to remove this black knob, remove the cover, and there it is. Just pull that. Here it is the outlet for the oil, that's why we have this silicone ring around. The motor is rotating. Some oil here we can see. Okay, nice. It is very easy the process to remove and install the chain. Tight again the black screw. Before tightening the black screw, you can use this knob and tighten the chain. As you can see, loosen the chain, rotating the red knob, the chain is tight. And then use the black knob, and that was all. Very tight, love it. Don't tighten it too much, I will test it later. Let's install the cover for now. unlock. We have the on-off switch. You need to press the safety switch and then the on-off switch, otherwise it will not work. 100 decibel it says here, and of course here we have the control, the button change speed, the on-off button, the charge level indicator for each battery, first and second battery, and here we have the change speed indicator, first level and second level, the connected indicator for connection at the app, and another one indicator here. So, of course, we need batteries. You can use the 4 Ah batteries performance or 4 Ah regular batteries, or you can use the 8 Ah performance batteries, fully charged. I will use the 8 Ah batteries, plug in the batteries here. As I mentioned, we need 2 batteries. Press and hold. First speed, second speed, off. You can turn it on, you need to press and hold for 2 seconds. First speed. And we can see we have this indicator is flashing. It's flashing because I need to unlock the brake lever. Unlock and then lever, instantly it stops. Let's try again, unlock. Okay, second speed. Unlock. Instant response, I like it. Wow. It is very durable, just love it. Small but yet so durable. Now let's connect it at the app. Parkside app, add the tool, and there it is, the first and the second battery is flashing, finish, and there we have and the chainsaw, pruning saw, ready to use. We have current level 2, first level, confirm, we can see it's changing at first level from the app. How cool is that? Speed, unlock, and we can see at the app the speed for the first level. Discharge current, let's use the second level, confirm, second level again here. Or you can change that. It needs a few seconds to synchronize with the app. Discharge current, overheat count, block count, over current count, total tool operating time. Okay. Current temperature 23 Celsius. You can lock the battery with a pin if you want. Operating mode for the battery, performance, balance, eco or expert. On expert mode you can adjust the discharge voltage from 2.5 to 3.4, the discharge current from 5 to 100 amps. Performance. Overheat notification. Identify battery. Is flashing one of these batteries, the first. That's how you know which battery it is. Current charge, discharge, working hours, charging cycle, discharge cycle. Nice. You have so many informations. From the app you can adjust the speeds, first or second. You can see it's changing. And check some vital informations. And of course, if you want, you can do and the firmware update when it is available. Now let's give it a try. We have some oil here. Let's move on outdoors and test it. This powerful and portable pruning saw is a game changer for anyone tackling garden maintenance, tree trimming or outdoor projects. With its 40-volt motor, ergonomic design and cordless convenience, it makes cutting through branches and shrubs a breeze. If you are someone who values efficiency, ease of use and reliable performance, the Parkside Performance Cordless Pruning Saw is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for gardeners, landscapers or anyone who needs a dependable tool for outdoor tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, gardening tips and outdoor project ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and as always, keep gardening, keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.